Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question 2 part B of the 047822 February-March 2023 past paper. The question is, write an algorithm in pseudocode using a single loop to output the average of 50 numbers that have been stored in the array named number. While writing a pseudocode, it's very necessary to understand the question and divide it in steps so that we should not miss any step and ultimately not lose any marks. First step is to decide what is given and what needs to be found. In this question, given is an array of 50 numbers, and we need to calculate and display average of all numbers in array. Now that we clearly understand the question, we can determine which type of loop to use. Since we know in advance that the loop needs to run 50 times to process an array of 50 items, the most appropriate choice is a for loop. A for loop is ideal when the number of iterations is known beforehand. Now it's time to start writing the pseudocode. Let's declare two variables, one to store total and other to store average of numbers. These variables will be initialized with 0. Then we have a given array of numbers which will have 50 numbers. Let's present it with name number. Now it's time to write the loop to iterate this array of numbers. We have already decided that it will be a for loop which will be executing 50 times. While each iteration, we shall extract next number from array using the counter of loop as prefix of array. Then this number will be added up to our total variable. In this way, at the end of the loop, we shall have all the numbers added up to the total variable. So we shall have sum of all the 50 numbers in the total variable. Now it's time to calculate the average of these numbers by dividing the total by count of numbers, the 50. We shall save this average in the average variable. Excellent, guys. We have successfully done our calculations, and now it's time to display our result. Great. We are done with our pseudocode. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.